Meaning of HM Coastguard.
HM Coastguard.
HM Coastguard.
HM Coastguard.
HM Coastguard. HM Coastguard is the agency responsible for coordinating maritime search and rescue in the United Kingdom. Established in 1822, it has played a vital role in saving lives at sea for over 200 years. The modern HM Coastguard is a highly trained and well-equipped team of professionals who operate 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. They work closely with other emergency services and partners to provide a rapid and effective response to incidents at sea, on the coast, and inland. Their motto is "Safer Lives, Safer Ships, Cleaner Seas."